All right, welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is February 15th, 2020. Let's jump into it. BTCUSD on the daily. Bitcoin, $9,913. We talked about this yesterday. Green, red, green, red. We're going to have a red day that came down to the 9. We actually punched below that almost to the 20. This was really, really good for people looking for some sort of bull pennant or bull. Let's see. I'm going to zoom into the hour. Looking for a bull flag. There you go. There you go. All right, let's see if we can draw one here. We could have gone a little higher there. Well, that's kind of what we're looking for. We're looking for that connection right there. There we go. So there's your bull flag. Makes a little more sense on the hourly. We're moving up to that median line, and it could pull back a little bit further before bouncing again, or it might just make a run to this top side. What we're looking for is like a break of this top side here on the hourly chart, getting up above that Kumo cloud, and the 200-day moving average would be a really good sign. We did need a pullback here, so don't freak out. Everybody just relax. If you look at the hour or the daily chart, we're so far away from the Kumo cloud here, and it needed to be done. So here's your pullback, right? It's very steep. It's a legitimate pullback. Now, I don't have any sell signal yet, believe it or not. Let's remove that. We're still above the 20-day moving average, which is your medium trend. We got your strong trend, right? We're above that, and we've come down and come close to touching the median trend. The long-term trend is probably your 50-day, and the really long trend is your 200. So, yeah, stay in it. This is just a pullback. For now, it's just a pullback. Now, if this thing gives me a sell signal and I get out, there's a good possibility this thing will just rip faces off and go way low. Like 75 maybe. Somewhere below the Kumo cloud. And maybe retest down in these areas, right? Or up here. So, that being said, let's take it a little bit, one day at a time. Remember, I said you might want to, catch that on the 9. So don't be surprised about this kind of movement. I do anticipate a green day today. So it might pull back even further and then come up. You know how we were looking on the 9-day or the 1 hour. So it could pull back and then run up higher. We'll see. But I do anticipate a close above the 9 today, or at least somewhere around it. Okay, stay in it. Litecoin BTC. Oh, what is this? That's why. There you go. All right, so Litecoin BTC. Litecoin BTC is moving back up again. Stay in it. LTC USD. Stay in it. Looking all right. It's getting a pull back. We did get a close below the 9, but again, we're getting that switching green, red, green, red, green. So this is consolidation right here. Don't be nervous. ETH BTC is getting a little bit of a pullback also. Really good. It needed it. Look at that run up. Come on now. It needs a breather. Can't just keep going forever. Well, this is normal. And ETH USD, same thing. Stay in that one. Tezos BTC, stay in it. Tezos USD, stay in it. Bitcoin Cash BTC, stay in it. Bitcoin Cash USD, stay in it. Ethereum Classic BTC, stay out of it. Oof, boy, we've been out for a little bit since that yellow day, and it's just been rolling over. Ethereum Classic USD is finally a sell today, so we're out. Boom, boom. And I know you guys are having a hard time seeing this, so I'm going to put that in there. It's a little brighter, I guess, than just the red. I guess some people, in fact, I could just take this out of here. We could just remove that. put this one in. Nice sell that day. And I want to lock these down so they don't move around. So you got in, hopefully on the 9. There you go. The 9 the next day. And you get out here. Hopefully you're going to catch a sell on the 9 on that one. Looking for 139% gain on this. Even if you just said, screw it, I'm getting out right now, you're getting 119% gain on that call. So however you play it, if you get out like half here and half up here just to try to get some more gains squeezed out of it, that's fine. But this is a decent call here. Ethereum Classic USD has been a real performer for us. We did break the parabolic SAR and it's now coming down. So XRPBTC, Ethereum Classic USD, stay out of it. XRPBTC, let's see. Stay in it. XRPUSD, stay in this one also. EOS BTC, looking like it could bounce off of this. Stay in it. EOS USD also looking like it could bounce. Bitcoin Cash BTC. Oh, we had our hard day today. Yep, we had a real hard day today in Dash BTC. So it didn't perform for us. We caught it hopefully on the 9. And hopefully we're going to get a sell on the 9 also with the flush trade. So what we're going to do is put that in as a sell today. And lock it down. Move this over. There you go. And Dash is a sell. Alright, so switching is happening here. I've talked about this before where we get our buy it, sell it on the 9, buy it again on the 9, sell it on the 9. A lot of switching, but not much is happening here. There's no win, there's no loss. So hopefully you catch the right trend. One of these times it's going to just make a decision and it's going to roll up or down. I think one of the reasons why Dash BTC isn't performing really well right now is because we've got overhead resistance on this SAR until we break it. Dash BTC USD, almost a sell. Almost. Stellar Lumens BTC, stay in it. Yep, running up. Stellar Lumens USD, stay in it. Rep BTC, stay out of it. It's coming down. Oh, that's unfortunate. You know that is a real shame. Yeah, it tried to get up right here. You see that today? It tried to pop to the upside and then bulls just smashed it right back down. Yeah, Rep BTC, stay out of it. Rep USD is still a stay in it situation, believe it or not. And we might get out on a flush trade, but I'm going to wait. I'm absolutely going to wait for this. Yeah, we got a run up, pull back, run up, pull back. Now we're waiting for our run up. Hopefully it'll come before everything goes negative. As far as 0x BTC, stay in it. 0x USD, stay in this one. ZEC BTC. ZEC BTC. Ooh, it's a sell today. Yeah, that don't look good. And I'm going to lock that down. This thing might roll over. Yeah. ZEC BTC is a sell. ZEC USDC. I'm going to give it one more day. We are shying away from that parabolic SAR, so maybe it could give us some lift. It's a possibility. Algo USD. Let's see how this one plays out. And it's good. Stay in it. Link USD. Stay in it. Got some diminishing volume, but it's holding. BAT, Basic Attention Token USDC. Stay in it. Orchid OXT. We're going to stay in it for now. We'll see what happens. Getting some switching. This is it's going to make a decision soon. GNT USDC, stay in it. Today was actually a good day for it. everything else was dumping, and GNT kept rolling up to the upside. We got a clear double top here, but we'll see how this one closes. Could be a sell. GNT USDC staying at Mana USDC. It's rolling over, but it's not a sell yet. Staying at Loom USDC is, what are we at? 3 cents. I'm sorry. We're at 3 cents. And had a heck of a day today. Wicked up real high, almost to 4 cents, and is pulling back a little bit, but stay in it. Civic USDC, ooh la la, just running up. DNT USDC. DNT is still a stay in it situation. Got hardcore consolidation here, building a floor. That's what we're doing. Stay in it. ADAMBTC. Atom is, let's take a look at this one on the BTC price. That's interesting. That was a pretty rough day today. I may have to, let's jump into the 12 hour. 12 hour don't look good. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to get out. Yeah, that's all right. We sure tried on Atom, didn't we? It was doing good for a little bit. Try to get out on the 9 so you have basically a flush trade. You might actually make a little bit on that. Maybe not. Might be a flush trade. ADAMBTC, stay out of it. Atom USD, stay. Oh, Atom USD on the 12 hour. Let's jump into that. Yeah, we need to have it prove itself. How about that? Let's just get out of this one too. Don't want to be involved with this if it's just not going to produce. We might have some more switching coming up here too, by the way. It's $4.58. We'll see what it does. Total market cap 2 took a dip today at 285 billion. Total 2 is 104 billion. That also took a dive. And Bitcoin dominance is starting to rally a little bit at 63.30. Others dominance is, real quick on this Bitcoin dominance, I fully anticipate it coming down to this. It's going to touch this bottom line right here. That's upcoming. Others dominance is 7.37, and it did get a pullback, but it's not too bad yet. We'll see what happens. We've had pullbacks before, where they run higher and then they consolidate and then we start pushing. So just think of this as another consolidation period as of right now. We've looked at this all in all as, you see this right here? See that green arrow? It's kind of hard to see it. It's kind of buried in the weeds there. That was our entry right there. Let me unlock it and pull it down so people can actually see it. Right. Oh, don't go over there. There you go. Lock it down. So that was our entry, so you can kind of see that. It spiked up really hard and pulled back. This would have freaked out a lot of people to get out, but we thought the trend was going to continue. I still think the trend is going to continue. We just need a pause, maybe come back down to the Kumo cloud, relax, and then pop to the upside. Bitcoin is back to Bitcoin at 9,926. I do anticipate it finishing on a green day today. It's just a knee-jerk reaction to that hard sell-off. We are going to probably continue into consolidation, maybe for another day or two, before working our way back up out of this hole that we're digging. But otherwise, yeah, things are looking great. Things are looking great all around in the crypto market. It's hard to look at some of these things like Litecoin going down 8%, in a day on this pullback. But we know how Bitcoin moves. That's why we're in this trade. And just FYI on the Bitcoin trade, if Bitcoin tops out on a 9 and looks like it's going to consolidate, chances are your Litecoin's going to consolidate also and top out on the 9, even if your TD sequential does not match up. Actually, on this one, it did. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. It did top out on a 9 on Litecoin. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin topped out at 9, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. and 1, 2, 3. So they both topped on a 9. So that shouldn't be really any surprise to you guys. I sure like the way this is moving. It's looking good. The whole trend up is fantastic, and it's holding the 20-day. Not a problem. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me this evening. I will see you in the group. God bless you guys. I'm out.